Your souls are ready to fly. You are ready to ride the waves and frequencies of ascension. Allow your wings to spread. Closing your eyes, visualize gulls soaring on the wind, eagles, hawks, birds. Visualize yourself inside those beings and ride the winds of ascension, ride the waves, the frequencies. You are preparing for new levels, and there has been a deep cleansing and purification. The coming and connecting to the pain and the sorrow, the thinking of things from the past. Many of you work hard focusing in the 3D world. You focus so deeply in the third dimension that living in it, working in it, being in it becomes hard. The energy vibration shifts and hardens by your thoughts, your fears, your projections, your mental images. Now, project yourself into the birds and catch the thermals, catch the frequencies, fly with them. This is ascension. I give you this. I give you this joy. I give you this energy. You are baptized through the vibrational fires and born anew. You are going through a phase of heavenly perfection, purification, preparation, initiation. This energy vibration comes to you. This energy vibration brings you towards spiritual peace, power, and inner authority. Your awareness of yourself activates your inner authority, activates the higher self to move through the world with a graciousness and a gracefulness. You have that word in your vocabulary, in your English-speaking vocabulary, graceful. Think of graceful. Think of what you see in your world as graceful. Think of grace, full of grace, and drawing that energy in. Grace opens the door. Grace opens the portal. Grace opens the vibration. Today the vibration in portal is open. Today the vibration in portal is open. It has been for some hours and will continue. Will continue through the night and into the next day. Portals are open all over. You do not miss it if you do not go through today. You just simply have the opportunity for greater ease in moving into the light. Let yourself float through there and move to the light now. Feel it, the energy vibration in your body, in your feet, electrical charges running through. I am Quan Yin.